Hello, it's Betty, and I'm going to review the Vitamix 5200 Professional Grade Blender. I've had mine for 12 years. It's still going strong. This blender is far superior to others I've had. It blends, it makes frozen desserts, and it makes hot soups. It's easy to operate. It has an on-off button over here and variable speed change during the blend. And I had a banana and orange juice in there and yogurt. And now I'm going to add strawberries. Whole strawberries. And I'm going to take off the cover that is over the lid. And I'm going to use the tamper to tamp those whole berries down into the rest of the mix. So I'm going to turn it on. We've got our smoothie. It's got strawberry chunks in it, which I like. Maybe you can see it. See if I can empty this. Show you how to clean it. Just a couple of drops of dishwashing soap. Put the lid on. And turn it on. Cleans it up really fast. And there it's clean. Just rinse it out. I hope you found my review helpful. Thank you.